about it. We use energy in everything we do, in every aspect of our lives. We put in front of our customers a very simple way of actually taking positive actions for the sake of their own planet, their own health, the well-being of their own families, and the economy of their own family. Then I think it will be a win-win for everyone.
I think more than ever we have realized as humanity that we are not any longer having a small impact on nature and the biodiversity in the world around us. You can say on one hand, of course, we're not an energy company in the foundation, but as a big company and part of a big consumption role in the world when it comes to life at home, we need to place ourselves in the forefront of the transition that we are needing in the world now.
Could be not only doing good for the world, but also doing good for the customer. We can help them to save money, save energy, and in the end, they will be also very proud to share with their friends that they're actually contributing to the better planet.
IKEA Clean Energy Services is about making clean energy available to anyone, anywhere, anytime.